Are you tired of constantly hearing, "Mom, I can't concentrate," or "Dad, I can't focus on my homework"? We get it. Helping your child improve their concentration skills can be a real challenge. Learning to focus is an integral part of growing up. But with extensive exposure to entertainment tools today, the attention span of children has substantially dropped. Kids who learn strategies to manage their attention span early on tend to develop better concentration skills as they grow up. Here are some. Tip 1. Set up a schedule. Having a routine can substantially help your child stay focused on their tasks. Set aside specific slots each day for homework, chores, and other activities that require concentration. This way, your child will be better prepared to focus on what a task demands. Tip 2. Set realistic expectations. If your little one hasn't had much practice focusing, it's not quite fair to expect them to suddenly become experts at it. Instead, try introducing them to various activities that naturally require focus. This way, they'll have a chance to improve their attention span while also having fun. Plus, they'll be more likely to stay engaged without feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Tip 3. Limit distractions. Designate time blocks for studying, gaming, watching TV, and using the iPad. If you have other little ones running around, keep them engaged in a different activity. Sometimes, a pair of noise-cancelling headphones can do just the right job at blocking out external sounds. Tip 4. Create an environment that promotes concentration. Find a quiet and comfortable room where they can work without distractions. A clutter-free desk, good lighting, and a cozy chair can make a world of difference. Oh, and don't forget to keep those pesky electronic devices out of sight unless they're needed for their studies. Tip 5. Use timers to encourage focus. Sometimes, all it takes to help your child concentrate is a little bit of friendly competition with themselves. Try setting a timer, and challenge your child to stay focused on their task until the timer goes off. You can start with shorter intervals, like 10 or 15 minutes, and gradually increase the time as your child gets better at focusing. Tip 6. Reward good behavior with praise or incentives. Remember, improving concentration skills takes time and patience. Be supportive and celebrate small victories along the way. And don't forget to lead by example. Show your child the importance of focus and concentration by being present and engaged in your own activities. Keep cheering them on, and watch their concentration skills soar. To know more about our comprehensive learning solutions, visit squarepanda.in. Let's work together to change India's educational landscape. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and join the discussion in the comments below.
Panda.